Hey, welcome to the channel. So if you haven't watched part one, go back and watch part one of the change in the motor. So we pulled it out and everything on that part. And today I'm just going to start getting this new long block ready to swap over. So I just opened the box up here. Looks like it did come with some gaskets and everything, but which is kind of shitty that the valve covers and the front timing cover and the oil pan aren't on it. But guess we'll just swap it off that motor and onto here. I got the valve cover swapped over, put new gaskets on, cleaned them up real good in the parts washer there. And I might I'm gonna leave this open, but I need to lift the motor up now. So I'll use a skid steer and just hook the chains back up to it like I did in the other one. And lift it up because now I'm gonna have to put the oil pan and everything on the bottom, but I don't have another engine stand. Yeah, there's actually lots of, look at all the metal shavings in the bottom of this oil pan here and some broken pieces. I don't know what that's from exactly, but I'll put it this facing forward. Yeah, just like that. Alright, so now the other thing. Just 9. Making you do this.
Going on the other side too.
No, it's no, but I'm gonna have to, I'm just gonna put a jack under this to lower that down. Oh boy, that's pretty close. Okay. That side's in. Line up the other side. And we're golden. Alrighty, so now I got the transmission all bolted up here, the engine bolted down, and I just took the accessories off the other motor, so I'm ready to put the front timing cover on, or timing chain cover on here. So I just put a little bit of RTV here, and got it all cleaned up, and just gotta remove these. And then the new timing cover should just go on, and then I can put all the accessories on and the intake. So we'll just grab the new timing cover. I did change the crankshaft seal and all new gasket around here, so it should be ready to roll. So I'll stick that on, and then we can do the accessories next. Alrighty, so I pretty much got all the accessories bolted up here and torqued down, so I just got to do the AC pump. But it didn't give me a new bolt for the harmonic balancer, but I already torqued it down. It's all seated in there, but I'm just gonna take that out and I'll just replace that. I'll get a bolt tomorrow and replace that after. But I torqued all that down, torqued the intake down. So pretty much next up is just gonna hook the exhaust up, all the wiring, and then it'll be pretty much ready to put the cab down. So I clean up the floor and everything, so it's a little bit nicer to work here. So we'll go ahead and hook up all that stuff and then get ready to set the cab down. Alrighty, so I got most of the wiring all done up here, but I'm just gonna, while I'm doing the exhaust here, I'm gonna weld this all up because it's actually busted here and the exhaust was all twisted. So might as well just weld it all up and then it'll be nice and solid. And the tip of the exhaust was kind of dangling down too, so just weld that up before I set the cab down and make life a lot easier. So the reason we weren't getting any power to the fuel pump is because this for some reason wasn't quite connected right. So it was once we took it apart and reconnected it, everything seems good now. So I'm just gonna take it for a drive now. I still need to bleed the brakes out a little bit more. Obviously top up the coolant, and I just want to, and the power steering, but just want to make sure there's no leaks and anything. So go drive it around the block and make sure it's all good. All right, so just went for a first test drive. Everything's checking out pretty good. I'm just gonna top the coolant up, and that's about it. I still gotta put the fender flares on and the mud flaps, but I'll do that. Gonna do that tomorrow. But anyways, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. So thanks for watching, and tune in for the next video. We'll be doing some cooler projects besides working on Dodges. So stay tuned, like, subscribe for that. Hopefully we can get the Corvette parts in here pretty soon and start working on that. So thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Peace.